Alex Preddy was in the crowd protesting the enforcement surge and carrying a legally permitted gun when U.S. Border Patrol agents shot him dead. What lessons are we as a nation learning from all of this?
Over the course of years and decades, in a really bipartisan way, let me be clear about that, we have given prosecutors far more leeway to game the system and abuse the law than we had realized. We have relaxed and reduced, sometimes through the actions and rulings of the U.S. Supreme Court, sometimes through statutes, and sometimes through political practice. We have relaxed and reduced protections of constitutional rights, whether First Amendment, Second Amendment, Fourth Amendment, or Fifth Amendment, all of which are implicated in the shooting of Alex Preddy, by the way. We relaxed those protections in the interest of making the executive branch more powerful, of making police more powerful, of making prosecutors more powerful. And in the past, it's always been the case, and maybe it's still the case, that as long as it was the other side politically that was suffering, we would say, oh, well, that's fine with us. What we continue to seem to be unable to recognize as a nation is that we all need these protections, because just because your side is abusing the system now doesn't mean the other side won't abuse it later. It's just this basic, fundamental notion of limited government under a constitution, and in the case of criminal, in the area of criminal prosecution, those guardrails have slipped dramatically.